Alright, South Florida. Today we're expecting the bright OL sun shining for this week. In the weekend, it will be raining for a few hours. Our recent story is that a person named danieldd, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, disappeared yesterday. He was last seen near the Genesis Lavatory in downtown Miami. If you see him, call the Lost and Founders. Anyways, back to playing music.
Hello, it's me, your broadcaster, Jacob Laries. Today we have an edition on the disappearance of danieldd. He was seen going out of the building with a creepy smile holding what looks to be a mace. If you have any information about danieldd, contact either the Lost and Founders or the Living Herman Foundation. danieldd might be near aquarium and zoo location. So if you're taking your kids to the zoo, be careful. I really hope danieldd is okay. I've never seen him like this. As a roommate of him, with that being said, the Miami Heat won to the Orlando Magic. Honestly, with the name with Magic, you'd expect to be fluent at this. Honestly, Orlando, you're just beginner wizards.
Breaking news. A whole family in New Havana has been killed. The footage might be disturbing for others.
As you can see, there's blood steps in this home. It looks to be a crime scene. We found a father, a mother, and 2 children. One of them seems to be alive with its legs chopped off. We will bring the legless one to the earth. It's truly sad that a person would do this to a whole family. Even the kids, once we find out who did this, we will surely put them on a lifetime sentence. We hope that the living one still lives.
Weather, sunny day, then a rainy weekend.
This is 9.15, and today, we are playing some good old classics from 1990 to 2009. With that being said, into the news. Today, we have a case of danieldd being wandering the streets with an abnormal smile and a mace. The people near him are pretty worried. One of the people who we interviewed said, he's always saying smile, not in his normal voice, but in a glitchy manner. It seems like he's a bit crazy, but seriously, he needs help.
This is not a test. The Miami Police Department has issued a shelter-in-place area for Doral, the missing person. danieldd is killing innocents and police members. If you see a police squadron currently fighting at the downtown Doral Park, do not engage. Go to your local building and hide until the warning is done.
You heard it from us here. We have bang, bang, bang. Next.
She shot me, bang, bang. She shot me, bang, bang. There she goes again, the dope is Ethiopian. In other words, she came through exploding in the podium.
This was him before merging.
Hello, it's me, Jacob. Today, we have a topic that might make some people disturbed. So on Cartoon Network, they were playing an episode of The Noobs. The episode was them having a snow fight, but all of a sudden a photo of Daniel was shown. On the second, it was a bloody and scary picture of Daniel, with looks to be blood on his mouth. Looking at the camera, the person says merging, I think that means. He merged with the decaying hammer. To Daniel, if you're watching this, why are you going haywire? First you kill innocents all just because Somoni pissed you off, and now, making children cry on their favorite episodes. Dude, you need help.
Good morn, Orlando. This is your CO host speaking. Today we have some heavy fog and rain.
The NO advised this warning for potential EF to tornadoes. We advise all citizens in Pine Hills to shelter in place if you see a brownish fog. Go to your bathroom or bunker. That means that the tornado is there.
There is some brown fog, but I didn't know there was some tornado in the pines. But further ado, here is play by Tokyo Machine.
This is 104.1 on the air. Today we have some rather interesting news. We got a report that Orlando has been hit with a EF tornado. But here's where it gets interesting. There was a brown fog all over Orlando. Some residents went to a resort because their house was destroyed. I wonder, why is it brown?
The Miami-Dade Police Department has issued a shelter-in-place warning for Mission Bay. The lost person danieldd is going and rampaging anything that goes in his path. We have discovered that he stole enemy. The entite's name is Smile, or MOSB. Smile eats its victims and makes it fuse with its decaying body. And if you hold Smile, you will be controlled to instantly smile. Not only that, but attack anyone. If the host medges with Smile, they practically become unstoppable.
You heard him here, folks. Back to the rhythm.
Baby, you are my light， 你点亮我的爱 ，Forever shine， 命中注定的安排，我明白。第一次见面，你的开场白。
Chapter 2, The Feasting Beast.
The 9th of June 2016, Miami, Florida.
So proud of herself. Just like, yeah, look at me. Look, this girl's taking notes on your guitar skills. She's actually like writing on the desk. This guy's single, nice, and rich. If those are qualities you like.
The Miami-Dade PD has issued a civil danger warning for the following cities: Miami, FT Lauderdale, Key West, and South Orlando. The person danieldd is going to cities and killing innocents. If you are outside, go to a secure place. There will be PD guarding shelters in case if danieldd comes. Use shotguns, heavy assault rifles, and snipers. Do not go outside as there is contagious brown fog from Orlando.
Hello Orlando, this is Quincy 777 here. Today we are having a case on Daniel. Daniel is going town to town killing everybody he sees. Honestly, he really needs to be helped. He was described as nice and sweet. Now he is just killing pepperly. And guess what? He is coming. Our way so we're screwed.
If you live in the following cities: Miami, Orlando, Tampa, Fort Lauderdale, Broward, evacuate the area immediately. This could pose a risk for your family's life, as danieldd will kill anything in its path. He cannot or can be stopped. He has took 170,000 lives. Already, evacuate if you can.